Welcome back, savvy investors, to Market Matters Media. We pride ourselves on doing the legwork and deep dives, ensuring you have the insights you need to navigate the complex world of stocks. Today, we're shedding light on penny stocks that might, just might, catapult your finances into the seven-digit zone. Let's cut to the chase. Penny stocks. They're the siren song for many budding investors. The allure of entering the stock market without emptying your wallet. But here's a candid heads up. They're the stock market's Wild West. The rewards? Tempting. The risks? Sky high. Now, I've got a list here of 10 such stocks that promise significant returns. But remember, the operative word is promise. Market dynamics are unpredictable. So while I'll serve you the intel, always make your moves based on in-depth research. Penny stocks draw many with their potential for explosive growth. Just to give you a hint, I've got one on this list trading at around $3 but has potential predictions soaring over $100. But let's start with the more modest one, trading at $4.64. Meet an average beverage company, ticker symbol ZVIA. They're serving up a variety of beverages across North America, excluding Mexico. Analysts see its share value oscillating between $3.50 and $8, which suggests almost doubling your investment if you play your cards right. However, if beverages aren't your cup of tea, there's Trilogy Metals Incorporated, ticker symbol TMQ. Hovering at 56 cents, this mineral exploration gem is estimated to shine at $1.50 or even reach dazzling heights of $2.50. Remember, these are potential figures based on data and trends, but always research extensively. Matterport Incorporated, ticker symbol MTTR, is another enticing catch. Priced at $2.72, it has experts buzzing about its potential rise to 12. They're spearheading innovations in 3D data capture and visualization tech. Imagine touring any space in perfect 3D without stepping inside. Our next spotlight falls on a drug discovery pioneer. Trading at $2.43, this company, ticker symbol ABSI, is seen by some to surge up to $14. This team is crafting cutting-edge biologics that might just revolutionize treatments. Unity Biotechnology Incorporated, ticker symbol UBX, currently at $3.36, has the whispers of the stock market. Some ambitious predictions see it skyrocketing to a jaw-dropping $120. Their mission? Counteracting age-related diseases. Think of them as the guardians against time's toll on our bodies. Midway through our list, and if you're enjoying this content, consider subscribing to Market Matters Media for more stock market insights. It's essential to underscore that while these companies offer intriguing prospects, they're still high-risk ventures. They're young, still proving their mettle in a vast market arena. My advice? Don't stake your last dollar on them. Play smart, diversify, and never let emotions dictate your financial choices. Alright, let's delve deeper into this realm of penny stocks, diving into some nuances that might intrigue the savvy investor in you. One of the factors that make penny stocks tantalizing is their inherent volatility. Their prices swing wildly, and that's where the opportunity lies. It's like surfing. If you catch the right wave at the right time, you're in for a thrilling ride. Miss it, and you might be left waiting, or worse, capsized. Let's pick up where we left off, adding more depth. The success of Unity Biotechnology Incorporated reminds me of a crucial point. It's not always about the numbers but often about the narrative. Think about it. A company focused on reversing aging? That's a story that attracts attention, funding, and yes, investors. The core of any stock's potential lies not just in its balance sheets but also in its vision. Unity's aim to prolong life quality and possibly even lifespan showcases a future many would want to invest in, even beyond stocks, in hopes, dreams, and a brighter tomorrow. Speaking of narrative, many penny stocks have compelling stories. Another one that's caught the attention of many is a green energy company. With a global push towards sustainability and a cleaner world, green energy companies, even smaller ones, are gaining traction. This penny stock, ticker symbol GESI, is a leader in micro-scale green energy solutions. Currently trading at $1.10, there are projections, albeit optimistic, seeing it touch the $15 mark in a couple of years. Their vision of powering remote areas with green energy, where large corporations don't venture, is not just noble but potentially lucrative. Next, in our extended dive, let's have the current status and prospects of 3 intriguing companies in the penny stock market as of January 2024. Firstly, Big Bear.ai Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol Nasdaq BBAI, is trading at $2, reflecting a modest increase of 0.50%. With a market capitalization of $141.33 million, this company stands out for its significant role in delivering decision-dominant solutions to the national defense and intelligence sectors. They leverage their expertise in operationalizing artificial intelligence and machine learning on a large scale through a comprehensive data analytics platform. Big Bear.ai's proprietary AI or ML technology is adept at functioning in complex and imperfect data environments, enhancing the decision-making capabilities of their clients. Nano Dimension or Nasdaq NNDM, on the other hand, is currently priced at 78 cents, experiencing a 3.70% decrease. With a market cap of $55.01 million, Nano Dimension specializes in the development and manufacturing of 3D printed electronics at both micro and nano scales. Their unique additive manufacturing technology enables the direct conversion of digital files into functional electronic circuits and devices. This innovative approach finds application in various industries, including healthcare, aerospace, and consumer electronics, indicating a broad scope of influence and potential growth. Lastly, AgriForce Growing Systems Limited, or Nasdaq Agri, is trading at $2.92, showing a positive change of 1.03%. The company, with a market cap of $147.50 million, is at the forefront of developing intelligent, automated hydroponic and aeroponic cultivation systems. Their technology is designed to provide consumers with fresh, high-quality produce in a sustainable and efficient manner. AgriForce's products are versatile, catering to vertical, urban, and greenhouse farming, which underscores their commitment to innovation in the essential field of agriculture. Therefore, while the narratives of penny stocks like SI are often alluring, savvy investors should look beyond the story. They should scrutinize financial statements, understand the competitive landscape, and consider the experience of the management team. Moreover, it is crucial to watch for any red flags, such as inconsistent trading volumes or a lack of transparency in company disclosures. The potential of penny stocks is undoubtedly high, but so is the risk. Smart investors should manage these risks by conducting thorough research, seeking professional advice, and maintaining a well-balanced investment portfolio. Remember, the glitter of penny stocks can be captivating, but not all that glitters is gold. In conclusion, the world of penny stocks is like a vast ocean, filled with treasures and pitfalls. With the right strategy, information, and a sprinkle of luck, it can be navigated profitably. Stay curious, keep researching, and always make informed choices. If you found these insights valuable, give this video a thumbs up. And for more in-depth analysis, don't forget to subscribe to Market Matters Media. Your financial future matters, and we're here to guide you through it. Till we meet again, invest wisely and prosper.